very, very important point, which can lead to potential misuse. Permanent digital footprint. Even deleted posts, photos, or messages can be stored and retrieved later. Possible solution to the first challenge, privacy. The second of the four challenges, misinformation and fake news. What is misinformation? What is misinformation? Misinformation refers, can we convert these social media challenges into opportunities? Yes, we can. How? Before we discuss the possible solution to all of the four challenges, let's understand the nature of each of the four challenges. The first one, privacy concerns. What's it? Very simple. Privacy concerns on social media refer to the risks and issues. Risks and issues related to the protection of personal information shared online. These concerns arise because social media platforms collect, store, and sometimes share users' data, which can lead to potential misuse. Very, very important point, which can lead to potential misuse. Key privacy concerns on social media. Data collection and sharing. Social media platforms collect users' personal data, which can be shared with advertisers, third parties, or even sold. Identity theft. Hackers can steal personal details such as names, addresses, or financial information for fraudulent activities. Unauthorized access. Weak security settings or hacking attempts. Hacking attempts can lead to unauthorized access to user accounts. Cyber stalking and
harassment.
Personal information can be used for stalking, bullying, or
harassment.
Location tracking. Many apps track users' locations, which can be misused for surveillance or personal safety threats. Targeted ads and surveillance. Social media companies use personal data to create targeted ads,
which raises
concerns about user privacy. Data breaches. Platforms can experience security breaches, exposing user information to hackers. Permanent digital footprint. Even deleted posts, photos, or messages can be stored and retrieved later. Possible solution to the first challenge, privacy. To protect privacy on social media, users should review privacy settings, limit sharing of sensitive information, use strong passwords, and be cautious about accepting friend requests from unknown people. The second of the four challenges, misinformation and fake news. What is misinformation? Yeah, what is misinformation? Misinformation refers
ਤੁਰ ਗਏ ਯਾਰ ਦਿਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਜਾਨੀ ਵਤਨ ਚੁੱਕ ਮੁਹਾਰਾ ਉਜੜੀ ਬਸਤੀ ਯਾਰੋ ਨਜ਼ਰੀ ਆਵੇ ਕੰਡ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਦ ਯਾਰਾਂ